Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view the total number of online players in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not done that, do it right now. It is quite easy. Well, right now, all we're gonna do is to look at how many players are online. At the top, on the left hand side, you will see a button like this called as Store, and once you do, as you can see, there are a multitude of options. But right now all you need to do is click on this button at the bottom that says Stats. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. From here you can see the total number of players that are online right now. Do you note that you can also view the live chart for the top sellers, most played games, and the Steam Deck. And guys, that is it. That's how we view the total number of players online in Steam. So if you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.